My name is Iwan Pritchard. I'm the head teacher here at Ysgol Bro Edern. We're 11 to 18 comprehensive. We opened in 2012 with 71 pupils. We're now just over 900 pupils. Part of my role in ensuring that we're leading the change in the curriculum here at Bro Edern has been to facilitate that change and to empower the staff and the students and the stakeholders to look at the new curriculum as a challenge, but as a worthwhile challenge that will create something bespoke here for the east of Cardiff, for our cluster. And therefore it's not something that can be done overnight. It takes time to develop a new curriculum. It's not something that you take off the shelf and think that this new curriculum is very similar to the current national curriculum. It is totally different. And therefore, our approach here has been to make sure that the staff and the pupils are aware of this and to get their input into what we as a cluster think is important, what matters, and from there on, to go and develop, to work this through as a broad cluster curriculum.
In our approach to building the curriculum, we took many steps along the way. One of the first things we did was a what matters exercise as staff to work out what was important for us, and that started us thinking really. We knew what the what matters statements were from the actual official published curriculum, but also we needed to work out what was important for us, because in some of the AOLEs there are major decisions to be made as to what you teach, but also what you leave out. And those were really interesting initial discussions. The next what matters we did was with parents to find out why they send their children to schools in the Bro Edern cluster. And then we looked at all the AOLEs, and some of them, there are not major decisions to be made about content. For example, maths and numeracy, it needs to be taught. We decided that we would start with the humanities curriculum because there were so many decisions there about what matters for us and what we were going to teach. So what we did first is that we had this long piece of white paper and we rolled it out and we wrote out the history of Cardiff from the very beginning up to the 21st century, and we wrote that out, and then we started to add things, what was happening in other places in the world at the same time that things were happening in Cardiff, so we could align, the history and what was happening in Cardiff, what was happening in the rest of Wales, and also what was happening worldwide. And that was really interesting, and because we were able to go through that then and work out what matters, what were the themes, what were the patterns, what was evolving there, and from that exercise we could then decide what was really important for us, what the parents wanted. They'd sent them to Welsh Medium Education for the language, but also for the history and for the culture. And more than anything else, Welsh history came out really strongly in that parental questionnaire.
I come from the Llŷn Peninsula, from northwest Wales. Well, there is no way that the needs of the pupils of Ysgol Bro Edern are the same as the needs of the pupils of east of Cardiff. Their experiences are different. Yes, there might be some core knowledge that it's the same, but a lot of it will be different. And therefore, it's more or less impossible, I would say, to go and buy something off the shelf that will meet those needs.